California Beach House in the City is what best describes our newest listing, which I promise will leave you with a lasting impression. I'm Corey Harding-Keys of CHK Real Estate and Keller Williams Luxury, and welcome to 1438 Haig Boulevard, where luxury meets endless possibilities. Come explore this 12,000 square foot masterpiece you have to see for yourself.
This one-of-a-kind property in coveted South Mississauga is minutes from the nightlife in downtown Toronto, Pearson Airport, golf courses, and the Lakeview Village vast waterfront, which leads you to the restaurants and yacht clubs of Port Credit. I'm Monica Shugan from CHK Real Estate, and we are looking forward to seeing you soon.
Zone.